Hi everyone and welcome to Canadian Redneck Channel. My name's Dave and today we are going to be starting part 3 of our 444 engine rebuild series. Today we'll be lifting the engine out of our engine stand, installing the crank seal retainer, oil pan, flywheel, clutch, and installing it back in the tractor. So hope you stick around to see what goes on. We'll get you a better camera view to see what we're doing and we'll get started. So to help ensure that things slide together nicely, we're going to clean up this input shaft here a bit, as it has been sitting exposed to the weather for a while while we were waiting for pieces and parts. And a little bit of rust here. I want to make sure things are going to slide well. And then we're also going to put a light dab of grease on these. Yeah, we don't want to go too hog wild with the grease. We just want a light film on everything so the discs and stuff will slide on the spline. But you don't want so much that's going to fling off and coat everything in there with grease. So we've got everything put back together. We have our coolant in, engine oil in, so we're ready now to start bleeding the fuel system. There we go, first filter is full. It's not turning over very aggressively, we'll see. Let that starter rest for a minute. Okay, there we go. Okay, fuel filters are bled. Now we open up these two bleed screws on the fuel pump. It's on the injector pump itself. Starting to get some fuel into the injector pump. Alright, well it seems like we're going to need a boost on this. We're getting pretty close. She's trying. I've ran a few heat cycles through the engine now, so we can retorque the head and reset the valves. So the first thing we have to do is get our rocker arm cover off. We'll get our wires out of the way here so they're not holding us up. And we'll get our head retorqued. Yeah, we can see it looks like the rockers have been oiling well, so that's always good. Now we have to take the rockers off in order to retorque the head. We want to be careful when we're lifting these off so we don't go spreading them all over the yard, because they are that split rocker. And you got to be careful because everything is quite warm. Okay. Whew. The manual calls for 75 to 80 foot-pounds, so we're going to bring these all back to 80 foot-pounds again. And I'm going to have to use an extension in order to reach by everything, which is less than ideal, but I'm using the shortest one possible, and we use it on all of the bolts, so it should come out to be even all the way across the board anyway. And I got to take this one back out again to put the rocker arms back on. Crap. There we are, okay. Okay, we're going to give this a quick fire up just to get everything jiggled into place the way it's going to sit, so that we get a proper reading when we reset the valves. There we go, and I just wanted to watch to make sure we were oiling at each one of the rocker arms, and we are. So now we got to find our mark and get it to top dead center. Okay, we're on top dead center, so we've got to figure out whether it's number 1 or number 4. Okay, so that's telling me we're on top dead center number 4. And we're going to be setting these valves all to 20 thousandths of an inch. Well, we've come to the end of our 444 engine rebuild series. Hope you've enjoyed the videos. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave that in the comment section down below. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and as always, have a great day.